Well, welcome to the Explainer. I gotta tell you, I am absolutely thrilled you're tuning in today because this explainer was built specifically for you. I'm talking to the business owners, the solopreneurs, and those ambitious entrepreneurs out there who are really looking to scale but want to do it smarter and way faster. If you're looking to multiply your productivity and honestly, your profits without totally burning yourself out, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to be breaking down the 10 best AI tool categories that are literally reshaping how businesses operate right now in 2026. So definitely keep an ear out for these 10 categories as we go, because they're the exact building blocks you need to construct a highly profitable business. Let's just be real for a second. Running a business right now, it is incredibly stressful. The competition is fierce, our time is just severely limited. And the traditional answer has always been to just grind it out. Work more hours, sleep less, right? But the smartest entrepreneurs out there today are completely rewriting those rules. They are not working more hours. Instead, they're leveraging AI to work incredibly smart, aggressively cut their overhead costs, and grow exponentially faster. Basically, they're moving from that overwhelmed, burnt-out state to becoming a calm and highly profitable owner.
So here is our strategic blueprint to take you from idea to scale. First, the 2026 business landscape. 2, strategy and market research. 3, growth, sales, and support. 4, operations and financial scaling. 5, the AI Pro workflow. And finally, 6, your ultimate unfair advantage. Let's dive in.
All right, Section 1, the 2026 business landscape, finding your edge. Look, running a business in 2026 is undeniably tougher than it was even just a few years ago. Market saturation is very, very real. But adopting these specific AI tools, that's the definitive line in the sand between those who are struggling to keep up and those who are truly thriving. It is your key differentiator. It's that competitive edge that can take a small team, or heck, even a solo operator, and turn them into an absolute powerhouse that punches way above its weight class. Moving right along to Section 2, strategy and market research, building the foundation. Look at how beautifully these tools stack together to build your foundation. Category 1 is idea generation. You see, you aren't just brainstorming in a vacuum anymore. You're chatting with Grok or Claude 4 to flesh out these incredibly detailed concepts, while Midjourney or Flux visualizes your product instantly. You can actually see what you're building. Then we have Category 2, strategic planning. Instead of staring at a blank whiteboard for days on end, you can just feed your messy notes into Claude projects or custom GPTs to draft a comprehensive SWOT analysis and business plan in seconds. And Category 3 is market research. Tools like Perplexity, Grok, AlphaSense, and ChatGPT, they basically act like an entire corporate strategy department living right on your laptop, instantly dissecting competitors and highlighting market gaps that you can exploit. Okay, Section 3, growth, sales, and support, acquiring and retaining customers. This is where we start building out your fully automated sales funnel. So, Category 4 is content and marketing. You are absolutely no longer bottlenecked by writer's block. You can create SEO-optimized blogs, email sequences, and high-converting ad copy at total scale using Claude, Jasper, AnyWord, and Notebook LM. But driving traffic isn't enough. You need Category 5, which is sales and lead generation. By plugging into Apollo AI, Clay, and SmartLead, you are scraping hyper-targeted leads and personalizing hundreds of outreach emails so effectively that your close rates will just skyrocket. And finally, Category 6 is customer support. Once you win those customers, you deploy Claude, Intercom AI, Zendesk AI, or Grok to provide highly nuanced, human-feeling support. It perfectly resolves complex issues while you are literally sleeping. No joke. Next up, Section 4, operations and financial scaling, managing the machine. Every successful, scalable business has 3 operational pillars. Category 7 is workflow automation. Tools like Zapier AI, Make.com, and NAN act as the central nervous system of your business. Get this. Founders report spending up to 40% of their time just moving data manually between apps, which, let's face it, is the most mind-numbing task on the planet. These automation tools reduce that to absolute zero. Then, Category 8 is HR and team management. LinkedIn, AI, HireEZ, and Claude help you write perfect job descriptions, speed up your candidate screening, and onboard top talent instantly. Finally, Category 9, financial analysis. Using ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis, Julius AI, or Excel with Copilot, you suddenly have the analytical power of a seasoned CFO to model cash flow and manage expenses flawlessly. And when you plug AI into your company data, you get massive proactive value. Category 10 is business intelligence. Tools like Tableau AI, Power BI Copilot, and Grok aren't just handing you static, boring spreadsheets anymore. They're actively turning your raw data into predictive outputs. They're predicting your revenue before the quarter even ends. They're spotting risks, like customer churn or cash flow dips, way before they become catastrophic crises. And they generate actionable reports that tell you exactly what lever to pull next to keep growing. It's a real game changer.
All right, Section 5, the AI Pro Workflow, Pragmatic Implementation.
We definitely have to ground this in reality, so here's how you practically implement everything we've talked about. Start low cost, okay? Maybe a $20 premium Claude subscription for your strategy and content, and a basic Zapier plan to automate your lead capture. That's your beginner stack. You really don't need all 10 categories on day one. Then, as you grow, you move into the full AI-powered workflow, plugging in dedicated tools for finance and business intelligence. And the reason you do this is the incredibly realistic ROI. Actual entrepreneurs are reporting saving upwards of 20 to 30 hours a week. You're basically getting a whole extra day back in your life, purely by automating lead generation and customer support. Now, hold on a second, because I need you to take this warning very seriously. Guard your data privacy, watch out for AI hallucinations, and whatever you do, do not replace human judgment. If you're uploading sensitive financial data or proprietary business plans to an AI, make absolutely sure you have the proper privacy settings toggled on so your data isn't training the public model. And always, always double-check facts, because AI can, and for sure will, hallucinate with total confidence. Look, AI is an incredibly powerful co-pilot, but your human expertise, your intuition, your relationship building, and your final executive call, that remains absolutely irreplaceable. Finally, Section 6, your ultimate unfair advantage, dominating 2026. AI is literally the ultimate unfair advantage for business owners right now. The playing field, it is no longer level. The entrepreneurs who integrate these specific tool categories into their daily operations today are the ones who are going to completely pull ahead of the fierce competition. They're going to be faster, leaner, and just far more profitable. This isn't just a passing trend, you guys. It is a fundamental, permanent shift in how successful business is conducted. So, I want to leave you with this provocative thought. Which AI tool are you going to implement first in your business? Are you going to start by automating your customer support, or maybe dive right into that predictive financial analysis? Think about it, and definitely drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to subscribe to The Explainer for more deeply focused, structured insights to help you scale smartly. Thank you so much for learning with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.